Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I want to show you something that one of my subscribers sent me for my birthday. This is the Retekess PR12 AM/FM MP3 player. You can get these on Amazon. It has a DSP receiver, an earphone jack, MP3 player, LCD display, and a TF memory card slot for putting your MP3 files on. So let's check this out here. This is what it comes with. There's the device. There's the manual and the charging cable. Let me zoom in just a little bit here. There we go. The cable, USB cable, is used for both charging the internal battery. It has no removable battery, so the battery's built in. I don't even see any way of getting it out. Or transferring MP3 files to a memory card of your choice. It doesn't come with a memory card that you've inserted. So that's one way you can transfer files, or you can do it offline. So that's what it comes with. Here it is. Pretty small. Can almost hide it in my hand. And on this side we have the MP3 off and radio switch. On this side we have, this is the connector for charging the battery or transferring files. This is the up down for either selecting an MP3 track or changing the station frequency, or selecting a memory station that it saved when it did a scan. This is the button for doing the scan or selecting the manual tune. Up here we have the TF card slot and the jack for earbuds or earphones, and the antenna. The antenna is about 12 inches for FM. It's AM/FM MP3 player, no shortwave. You can get these on Amazon. So what you heard at the beginning of the show was I downloaded a bunch of MP3 files from the YouTube free music library, and that's what was playing one of those files. I'll turn it back on, and the audio quality is very good for the little tiny speaker right here. We turn it back on. Oops, get a grip on there. Get a grip, Tom. Very bright backlight. It's overpowering my camera. There, it went back off. And you can use these buttons on the side to select the track, and if you long press one of these buttons, it changes the volume. Goes into the volume mode. Sound is very good. So you don't have to use earbuds, which I don't like to use earbuds. So you can just stick this in your pocket and listen to it. Very, very small. Look how small that thing is. Okay, let's go to radio. Got to be a little careful. Okay, we are in the FM mode. I'll extend the antenna. Okay, not picking anything up on that frequency because I tuned it off of one of the pre-scanned frequencies. I manually tuned it off, just playing with it. So let's go down. There's one. I'm going the wrong way. Let me go down. Okay, I'll go up. Let me see how many it found. This is on FM. Just right here at my desk. I'm up to 29 already. 30. 31.
Sign your name on the dotted line, pay your dues. This is not the dispensation of the mystery.
It found 31 stations right here at my desk, FM stations. Now, it's going to struggle, or any radio will struggle, on medium wave using the internal antenna. Not this antenna, but the internal antenna. I can select the I can select the AM band. Probably can't find anything. No. Now, what you have to do to manually tune it is just tap on the scan button and then use the up-down arrows to change the frequency. I'll tap on that, and then I'll go up to 840, I believe, is a strong station here. Oops, I went past it. Okay, it looks like it's incrementing it at 9 kilohertz instead of 10, which is required for the U.S. So there's a function you can do to change it to U.S. tuning. So it defaults to international tuning. So I couldn't get to 840. I got 837 and then something else. So you do that. Now the other thing you can do is you push and hold this button right here, the scan button, and it will search for stations. So now it started searching. The backlight is very bright, very clear. And you can see how it's incrementing. It's not incrementing at the 10 kilohertz. So it's probably going to have problems finding stations. Yeah, it's having problems. So I would need to read the manual. That would be a change, and see how you change that to change for 10 instead of 9. It's in here someplace. Yeah, for AM, frequency is from 522 to 1710 kilohertz. There are two options for AM steps. One is 9 kilohertz, and the other is 10 kilohertz. And then it tells you how to change it. Okay, I'm not going to worry about that right now. So, what else can I say? Built-in antenna for FM. There's no shortwave. Built-in battery. It's got a. I think it says. I thought it said someplace, and it probably does. I can't find it, but it's probably got a lithium-ion battery, which that will give you power to play this radio for 8 or 9 hours, and it's really light. And I like it. I appreciate the person for sending me this. Again, you can get one of these off of Amazon. And my understanding is TDO, which I've reviewed a lot of their radios, they sell this, and this is going to be, this is my understanding, this is going to be their new brand name instead of TDO. They'll still have the TDO radios, but their newer radios will have this brand name. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Audio is great. I'm just going to let that play for a few minutes. Lots of volume. Doesn't distort. I'm not at full volume either. There's the timer for the number of seconds in the file. And then I can switch files over here. And now that's the next one starting. All right, pretty cool. Thanks again. Thanks again for the lady that sent me this. Bye-bye.